Choosing the best Canon camera for beginners 2026 can feel overwhelming, especially with so many Canon models claiming to be perfect for new creators. Whether you're starting photography, launching a YouTube channel, or looking for a reliable travel camera, picking the wrong one can cost you time and money. In this video, we simplify everything by breaking down which Canon cameras actually make sense for beginners in 2026, focusing on ease of use, image quality, and video performance. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll know exactly which Canon camera fits your goals and which ones to avoid. Number 5. Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera with RFS 18 to 45mm lens. Ideal starter camera for 2026. The Canon EOS R100 is a smart entry-level mirrorless camera designed for beginners who want a simple, reliable way to step into interchangeable lens photography in 2026. It features a 24.1-megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers sharp, detailed photos with pleasing colors, making it a strong upgrade from smartphones and compact cameras. The lightweight body and intuitive controls make it easy for first-time users to learn basic camera settings without feeling overwhelmed. Paired with the RFS 18 to 45mm lens, the R100 covers everyday shooting needs, from casual portraits to travel and family photos. Video performance is solid for beginners, offering clean 4K recording that works well for YouTube, vlogging, and simple content creation. Autofocus is fast and dependable, helping new users capture sharp results with minimal effort. The camera also benefits from Canon's RF mount, allowing future lens upgrades as skills grow. Overall, the Canon EOS R100 balances image quality, ease of use, and affordability, making it an excellent beginner-friendly Canon mirrorless option to consider in 2026.
Number 4. Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera with RFS 18 to 45mm lens. Top beginner hybrid choice for 2026. The Canon EOS R50 is one of the most beginner-friendly mirrorless cameras Canon offers, making it a strong choice for new photographers and content creators heading into 2026. Built around a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers sharp photos, vibrant colors, and reliable performance in everyday shooting situations. Image quality is excellent straight out of the camera, which is ideal for beginners who don't want to spend hours editing. What truly sets the EOS R50 apart is its hybrid capability. It handles photography with ease while also offering impressive 4K video performance, making it well-suited for YouTube, vlogging, and social media content. The autofocus system is fast and intelligent, accurately tracking faces and eyes to help beginners capture sharp results with confidence. The lightweight body and intuitive menu system make the camera easy to carry and simple to use, even for first-time mirrorless users. Paired with the RFS 18 to 45mm lens, it covers a wide range of everyday shooting needs. With access to Canon's RF lens ecosystem, the EOS R50 offers room to grow, making it a smart and future-ready camera choice for beginners in 2026. Number 3. Canon EOS R full-frame mirrorless camera, body only, beginner-friendly. Step into full frame in 2026. The Canon EOS R is a compelling mirrorless camera for beginners who want to move beyond entry-level models and step into full-frame photography in 2026. Built around a full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers excellent image quality with strong dynamic range, natural colors, and impressive low-light performance. Photos look detailed and professional, making it a great choice for learners who want room to grow creatively. For video and content creation, the EOS R offers 4K UHD recording and reliable autofocus that keeps subjects sharp during vlogs, interviews, and talking head videos. Canon's autofocus system is intuitive and accurate, which helps new users focus on framing and storytelling rather than technical adjustments. The high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder provides a clear, immersive shooting experience, while the comfortable grip and logical button layout make the camera easy to handle. Although sold as a body-only option, the RF lens mount opens access to Canon's modern lens ecosystem for future upgrades. Overall,
The Canon EOS R strikes a strong balance between performance, usability, and image quality, making it a smart full-frame mirrorless option for beginners ready to level up in 2026.
Number 2. Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera body. Powerful APS-C hybrid choice for beginners in 2026. The Canon EOS R7 is a highly capable mirrorless camera that offers an excellent balance of performance and usability for beginners who want advanced features without jumping straight into full frame in 2026. Built around a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers sharp, detailed images with impressive reach, making it especially appealing for wildlife, sports, and action photography. Image quality is strong across a wide range of lighting conditions, with Canon's natural color science helping photos look great straight out of the camera. What makes the EOS R7 particularly attractive for new creators is its hybrid capability. It records high-quality 4K video and handles vlogging, YouTube content, and short-form videos with ease. The autofocus system is fast and intelligent, tracking subjects accurately, which helps beginners capture sharp results even in fast-moving scenes. In-body image stabilization further improves handheld shooting for both photos and video. The camera feels solid and comfortable in hand, with intuitive controls that make learning easier. Overall, the Canon EOS R7 is a future-ready mirrorless camera that offers beginners a powerful upgrade path while remaining practical and enjoyable to use in 2026. Number 1. Canon EOS R10 mirrorless camera with RFS 18 to 45 mm lens. Versatile starter hybrid for 2026. The Canon EOS R10 is a well-balanced mirrorless camera that makes an excellent choice for beginners looking to step into photography and video creation in 2026. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers sharp images with pleasing colors and strong detail, making everyday shooting feel effortless and rewarding. Whether you're capturing travel moments, portraits, or casual action, the R10 performs confidently in a wide range of situations. What truly sets the EOS R10 apart is its speed and responsiveness. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, tracking faces, eyes, and moving subjects with ease, something beginners will appreciate when learning how to shoot dynamic scenes. Video performance is also impressive for its class, offering high-quality 4K recording that works well for YouTube videos, vlogging, and general content creation. The lightweight body is comfortable to carry, and Canon's intuitive menu system keeps the learning curve manageable. Paired with the RFS 18 to 45 mm lens, the camera covers most everyday needs right out of the box. With access to the RF lens ecosystem, the EOS R10 offers plenty of room to grow, making it a smart and future-ready mirrorless option for beginners in 2026.